That's one way to do it.
When you have 5 kids, you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? Good morning, Kian. You want to see yourself? Good morning, Kian. Good morning. Good morning. Say morning. Tyler, say good morning. Good morning. Say morning, everybody.
Where do you want me to feed you? We're eating now, please.
It's breakfast time for the kiddos, you guys, and everybody's slowly eating so we can start our day. Tyler snacking on cereal. You eating, Papa? The eating? Rowena, you're good. What's wrong? What's wrong, Mama? You guys, look how gorgeous this girl is. She having sad face. You have to eat. You have to eat, Mama. You don't want to go to the pool? You have to eat first. See the Mario eating. Hey, Marian. You know that Mario look just like Dwayne, right? The Mario look just like my other cousin, which is Marian's brother. Identical twins. It's just crazy how our family look alike, because Kian and Richard looks like Tyler. Richard looked like Tyler when Tyler had the long hair. Now that Tyler hair cut, he looks like Kian. It's crazy.
It looks like Audrey when Audrey was growing.
Crazy. It's crazy.
The other day we found a photo with Dwayne when he was in school.
Identical. Identical. Anyway, you guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today is work day for me. I am actually just getting some stuff done. I'm gonna bring the kids to the pool. I think we're gonna go to the park. We're gonna go to the park after, and then baby's gonna take over from me in the afternoon. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It's yet another day with the fam bam, and we're just gonna make the best of it until they leave tomorrow. But tomorrow they don't leave until in the night, so we have the entire Friday to explore. We are at the pool. It's family pool day. That's everybody around there. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Watch Tyler crying as usual. Kian.
He's trying to bite it.
Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash. Yes, splash. They're having so much fun. What happened to Kian now?
Touch him.
Kakafan. Karim, come up and so. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Foot a go up.
That way.
Come here, come here.
No. 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 Let's go that way.
Look at my Magellan tourists. You guys, we got back from the pool. Man, it was chaos. Life with 5 kids is not easy at all. What you say, Marianne? Okay. So we're back and the kids are having lunch and Tyler is actually napping. Princess is having sausage and chips and coca. Tamara is having the same, and Richard is only having chips because Richard don't eat meat. Lunchtime. Say hi, Princess.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Kian, you coming?
What you want?
Come. Sit in. Up. Get up. Hold on tight. Ready?
That's one way to do it.
When you have 5 kids, you gotta do what you gotta do, okay?
I've gotta get this.
Hi guys, so hey, good morning, because I didn't see anybody today yet. I'm actually in the parking lot, that's why it's a little bit dark. I just dropped baby at work, and I'm with Tyler right now, about to go back home and to spend the time with all of the family. So I'm gonna show you, and hope you're gonna enjoy this little moment.
Good boy. Oh God, Richard, can we not leave the phone a minute?
Mama knows it's very low.
Okay, Charlotte. Eat your food. What?
Want something? Look at the mess. T, good job. Good job.
How would you pronounce that one?
Rire.
Real.
Rire. Count.
Gel.
What is that, Tyler? 6. No. 7. M for mama.
What's this word?
Which one? S'écrit. S'écrit.
T.
Cri. C'est A. Just sneezing.
Sneezing. Got a cold. Okay. Okay.
Z.
Y.
Y. Good job.
B.
B. Good job.
B.
P. Good job.
I think you need to go on your top.
8. This one is number 8.
Hi faves. So man, it's been a long day. I went to work, I got back home. Babe and the cousins were home enjoying the afternoon while I went away to work and get back. The kiddos, everybody has been off to bed because they're actually leaving tomorrow, but however they don't have flight until in the night, so tomorrow we'll be on the road all day. We actually went to the park, they had a really good time. Yeah, so that's what's basically been up. I've been just spending a lot of family time together. Sorry we haven't been ending the vlogs the traditional way, but don't worry, we will be back with ending the vlogs with the Jamaican expression and all that. But if you realize I haven't been doing much talking in the past previous vlogs because my throat is still not better, so I try to speak less. However, I still bring you guys moments and our memories capturing through the camera. So I'm just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching, thanks for keeping up with us. Everybody's off to bed and it's just me staying up to edit tomorrow's vlog, so you guys can always have something to keep up with. We love you guys. Thanks you. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, and we appreciate all the love, all the support. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.